entry. Always on my own, police always on my ass. I was dodging out.
If you don't know, I'll get you updated super quick. A couple weeks after I got this bike,
I dropped it.
The shifter punched the case and I had to JB weld the case. Well, whenever I change the oil, I always check on it. And yeah.
My JB weld's finally given up on me.
Started poking my finger at this JB weld and it's falling apart. I think literally the only thing holding this JB weld together was my case cover that I had on here while I had the oil drain. I'm gonna take this time to go ahead and JB weld it now.
I was dodging all the mistakes, I'm just trying to stay alive. Yeah, I'm just trying to stay alive. Ops pull me over and they trying to kill my vibe. Don't you try to play me or I pull up with that 5. Don't you try to play me or I pull up with that 5. I just cop Balenciagas, we ain't fucking with no Vans. All my brothers in them trenches getting dirty, sipping mud. Now I'm out here getting bands, but we flexing out again. Now I'm out here getting bands, now we flexing out again.
There's my previous JB weld job.
Seeing demons coming, I was hiding behind.
In case you're not familiar with JB weld, normally I use like a red and black package. If I'm gonna try this waterproof stuff, the marine weld, I'm gonna see how this does. I don't really know, honestly.
The door with a chopper on me. I was running on my bad, boy, they try to rob me. I was running on my bad, boy, they try to rob me. Oh yeah, yeah. Bitch, I started from the bottom, now coming up the court, now feeling like the road.
So I'm actually not gonna mess with it any more than that. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the outside.
You really getting froze. Yeah,
alright, it's kind of early in the morning, but I want to make sure this is dry, which it looks like it is. On the inside, I'm not going to really mess with this because that looks covered pretty well. I'm just going to throw another coat on this outside and then we're going to go back and sand it all.
Been on rolling through the scene like a hot boy. Remember busting out them licks, I'm a block.
I'm not going to mess with it too much more than that, so. I have not sanded the outside at all. It's going to get covered by an ignition cover. Not too worried about it. Let's go ahead and put it back together though.
Boy, free my little brother, caught that bit, he in the pen.
Today, we're going to be putting the handbrake onto my KTM finally. So I've actually got the front wheel off right now. I'm going to be getting that fixed, hopefully. As you know, it's had a slow leak. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge to figure out how I'm going to make all this work. I'm probably going to have to get rid of this. We can go ahead and take the seat off, the tank off. And yeah, I'll show you how I run the line. I'm hoping I have enough line, but I have a pretty good idea how I'm gonna run this. I think I'm gonna run it right along my swing arm and this other brake line. I'm gonna go over here, run it up in between these wires, and there's this nice little gap right in here. Hopefully gonna run it up, around, and get it up there. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. The first thing I did was put a zip tie around the end that I know is gonna go on the rear caliper. Basically, I'm just gonna be running this line through the bike now.
Rocking Gucci product, but I'm elegant.
I'm gonna go ahead and mount up my master. I believe I'm gonna have to move my switch onto this line over here. Okay, this is a little more final product here, but basically I have it ran underneath, coming up along the frame here, and it's going up here. Okay, it's been a while since I've done an update, but I've got the handbrake on, and I've got the wheel back from St. Joe Honda. Huge shout out to St. Joe Honda. They hook your boy up every time. Like, yeah, it's getting there, just a matter of putting it back together, see if it makes a difference. Let's go. Yo, I got a really cool spot I can show you guys. Of course, it's the middle of the day right now, so it doesn't look like there's anybody here. Truck way over there in the field, but we could stay till that truck comes over here. This is an old go-kart track. It's kind of sick. It's not very clean, but it's kind of cool. That'd be sick if we could like buy this. You know how cool that'd be? Should we run it backwards? Never tried it this way. I don't know which way it's actually intended for, but my goal is to do some actual supermoto races this year. If you're not familiar with an actual supermoto race, basically it's like half go-kart track, half motocross track, where there's actual jumps and dirt. And for whatever reason, I am way faster in the dirt on supermoto wheels than I am with actual knobbies. I'd have a lot of fun at supermoto racing. We're gonna do one this year, boys, I'm promising you. I know Oklahoma used to have a series. I'm sure they're still doing it. Old handbrake, not feeling too bad. I used to be pretty close with the guys that put it on. Haven't talked to them in a while though. I'm gonna have to hit them up for sure. I'm wanting to go find a place to take some pictures today. I haven't posted on Instagram in a long time, and that's something that I'm wanting to get back into. It's windy as hell, but let's try a wheelie. As long as I'm dropping it back, it don't feel too bad. It just keeps wanting to carry me though. I feel like I can lay in the wind and it'd be alright. I doubt that I can, but I'm gonna try to drift. Oh shit, not a good start. like a cool area over here. Somebody's property right there. I think this is still conservation, so I'm okay. I just want some photos. Oh, this is all sand. The things I do for photos. Ow, god damn, I got stuck with that thorn bush. Oh, I just ripped my pants. Damn it. They were already patched. That sun makes that a really cool picture. Oh, that thorn bush, it's already got me once. Alright, I'm going a little bit out of my way to hit this bridge over here, but we gotta hit the bridge. Is it even a Corky vid if we don't? It's a hellacious tree. Probably gonna head back towards town now. I do want to get some use of my handbrake. That's the purpose of me coming out here, but I ended up taking photos. This road was just repaved, so gravel's really loose. I'm fine until my front end just casually starts sliding. Alright, we're back a little bit closer to town now. I'm on the only paved road from here to town, so we're gonna try the handbrake. I'm just gonna do a seat standard. I'm not gonna try to clutch in or anything fancy yet. I just want to get a feel for the handbrake, make sure it's gonna be reliable, make sure I don't have to bleed it anymore. Yeah, it is windy as hell, so this might be dumb, I don't know. Doesn't feel too bad. Might need bled just a little bit more. That wind was really controlling me. As you guys know, I've had my WR250 supermoto stunt bike. WR250 is actually heavier than this 500. I could always clutch up the 250 and the wind not bother me too much, but this bike I really noticed it. It was wanting to blow me all over the place.
That's what she said.
Handbrake kept pressure, not too bad. I'll try a little handbrake trick on the seat. I'm gonna try to do a 50-50, you'll see. Not too bad. Kicked my reservoir, that kind of made me nervous. The idea of me putting it behind here was so that I don't kick it, but I still ended up kicking it, so it'll be alright. Not too bad though, I can definitely get used to this. Hell yeah. Something that I've always wanted to do on my WR250 was stand on the seat and pull a leg through the front fender. 1 foot on the seat, 1 foot on the front fender. This man wants to pull out in front of me. That's the whole problem on my other bike. I physically couldn't get my foot up and through the hole, so that is the goal. That is one trick that I want to get down by the end of the year. Yeah, I've been feeling a lot better about myself since I've been working out again, been running daily again, drinking a lot more water. Can't say I totally kicked like sugar and sweets, but kicked a majority of them. I want to start keeping track of my points this year whenever I'm racing. I think I'm going to be missing round 1, so that's off to a great start. Still going to try to keep track of my points. If I could still finish off the season fairly well, I'd be happy. Yeah, it's going to be a goal to make more races this year, for sure. I don't know, something to look forward to. Oh, there's a truck right behind my jump. We'll hit it once and go. Damn, this is getting rutted out right here. We'll play a game. I'm gonna mess around over here. We're gonna see which business it is. Comes out and sees what I'm doing first. High V's all the way down there, and I don't know what the rest of those are, but we'll see. What's going on over here? These are some new apartments. Oh shit, might look like people are living in them now. Last I seen, this is all like frame building, the building of a frame of a building. I don't know. You know what I'm saying. This looks sick. Could almost jump that. What the hell is this supposed to be? We finally found a new lot, boys. Oh shit, that was terrible. Oh, let me try to jump this again. Yeah, it is what it is. Alright, that one's kind of cool. I am sorry to my camera getting thrown around in my backpack. One of these hills I used to be able to jump from going this way. I think it's that right there. Stairs. I don't think I've jumped the hill on the supermoto wheels yet. Let's go do that. I make sure it's clear first. I don't really want to, but putting my backpack over here. Don't forget that, Corey. Don't leave your fucking camera out here, you idiot. Feels a little bit different on supermoto wheels in the air. You can really notice the heavier wheels. My two prior supermotos, couldn't even notice the difference with the weight of it in the air. It's interesting. I kind of want to try to seat stand or saw. Third time's a charm. I kind of want to try to seat stand or saw. Son of a bitch. I kind of want to try to seat stander stall the bike while I'm in a wheelie, like stall it with a handbrake. I'm gonna try it. I used to do it without a bar on my WR250, but it's at a lot lower. Only reason why I don't want to drop my bike is because these are new grips. I don't want to scratch them up already. I did it, but it came up pretty quick. The plan of attack was to like go a little bit slower, but I just kind of threw it. Oh shit. One more try. We got it this time. I'm gonna angle the camera down a little bit so you can see my feet work. I was trying to keep it. One more time like that. Oh, come on. So close. I want to get this. Alright boys, that's going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this. By the time you're seeing this, I'm more than likely going to be in Texas. Yeah, hopefully Texas is good. So far it's looking like a chance of rain, but we're going regardless. So I'll see you boys there. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And until next time, peace!
I'm busting out them licks, I'm a black boy. Free my little brother Kodak, been he in the pen. Been I'm rocking Gucci Prada, been I'm elegant. I done grew up with some brothers coming out the trenches. All my cuddle stuck fighting in the penitentiary. Always on my own.